guys were good listening. That was good listening. Okay. And then I'll call you out for that one. Okay. So, right here, we have 3 balls. They're not actually balls. They're actually noses. But, for the sake of the show, we've got 3 balls. Now, what we are going to do with these balls, we're going to make them go through the coconut. Are you ready? All right. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But magic fingers? Good, good. Okay. First ball. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. Magic fingers in the air.